My name is R. Prakash, the Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, AVS College of Arts and Science. Today my topic is logic. I take the topics logic, proposition. Discrete topic, logic, the first topic is proposition. Proposition is a statement or sentence that can be determined by or either true or false in the example. Example for the proposition: buy 2 tickets for Friday consent. Or another example for the proposition: earth is the only cleaner and that contains in the life. Proposition example: 1 plus 1 equal to 3. It is a raining outside. Today is a Tuesday. Connectivities. The logic statement, there are more connectivities. Now some connectivities there are P and Q are proposition. New compound proposition can be formed using the connectivities. The more common connectivities are conjunction, disjunction, negation, exclusive or condition by condition. If example for conjunction, it is a raining P statement and Q statement it is a cold. Form a new compound statement combining these two statements. The P and Q, the symbol is it is raining and it is a cold. This is a example for the conjunction. And next one is disjunction. P or Q, it is raining or it is a cold. This is a example for the disjunction. Truth table for the conjunction. That the truth table for compound proposition can be described by truth tables. Truth table for conjunction: P and Q statement given, true, the result will be true, false, the result will be false, and false, true, the result will be false, false, the result will be false. The result is P and Q is a true only when both P and Q are true. Example: let P equal to a decade is a 10 years, and let Q its statement is a millennium is a 100 years. The P conjunction statement is P and Q equal to a decade is a 10 years and a millennium is a 100 years. Truth table for disjunction. The truth table for disjunction is P statement and Q statement. The true, result will be true, false, the result will be true, and the false, true, the result will be true, false, result will be false. P or Q is a false only when the both and Q are false. Negation statement. Negation of P is symbol is negation. The symbol is negation of P. P, the statement, result true, the result is false, and the false, the result is true. Negation. Example for the negation: pair is the capital of England and pair is not a capital of England. This is example for the negation. Exclusive disjunction: either P or Q, both, not both, in simple P or Q. The P or Q is a true only when P is a true and Q is a false. More compound statements: let P, Q, R be a simple statement. We can form other compound statement such as P or Q and R, P or Q and R, negation P or negation Q, P or Q and negation R. The statements. Truth table for P, R, Q and R. Q, P statement and Q statement, R statement that are given. The result will be true, and for true result will be true, and the true for R result is false, the result will be false, and continue the process will be given the results. Conditional proposition. A conditional proposition is the form if P then Q. The symbol for P conditional Q. Example: P equal to a bottle containing acid and Q equal to a bottle as a label. The conditional statement is P conditional Q. If a bottle containing acid, then it is as a label. Truth table for the P conditional Q. P conditional Q. The statement P, the result is for true, and the Q statement symbol result is true, and those are equal. The result will be true, and true, false, the result will be false, and the false, true, result will be true, false, the result will be true. P conditional is a true when both P and Q are when P is a false. Example: if then mathematics department can get an additional 40,000, then it will be Here one new faculty members. Let P statement. The mathematics department gets an additional 40,000. And the Q statement. Then mathematics department will be here one new faculty member. Hypothesis and a conclusion. It is a conditional proportion if P conditional Q. P is called a hypothesis and Q is called a conclusion. Logically equivalence. Two proportions are said to be logically equivalent if there are two tables are identically. If P statement and Q statement are given true, the P negation P or Q result is true. P conditional statement is false. For true, false. For negation P or Q statement is false, and P conditional Q statement is false. False for P statement and Q statement true. Negation P or Q statement is true, and P conditional Q statement are true. P statement false and Q statement are false. Negation P or Q statement are true. Then P conditional Q statement is true. Thank you.